Hey guys, welcome to another Garage Time with Goody. And what we're going to do today, as you can see, we're going to replace the spark plugs in a 2008 GMC Acadia SLT Sports Edition. Mainly, I'm going to show you how to take out the back 3 spark plugs without taking the engine all the way apart. But anyways, here's what those boogers look like before I changed them out. Anyways, enjoy the video. All right, today we have been changing out the spark plugs in a 2008 GMC Acadia SLT Sports Edition. Now, the first 3 were not that bad. You see there's one right there that the light's pointing to. There's the second one. And right over there is the third one. Now, the one that I'm going to record, and that's going to be hard to get to, are going to be these. If you look in the back, there are 3 back down in there. Okay, the first one is right there where my finger's pointing. There's one right there that you see the light on. And the third one is right there where the light is pointing on it. I'm gonna attempt to take a wrench and go down behind here and loosen these up and wiggle one out a little bit at a time. Other than that, everybody was wanting to take the whole throttle body off and the intake cover and everything to get to those back 3. I'm gonna see if I can get around that. Anyway. I'm gonna go down here. See, take this down here. And then
well, that was the easy part.
So next we're going to take this off so that we can reach behind the motor with the small ratchet and get to the plugs. We're going to take the breather off. And you're going to need a star bit.
25, I think.
I think it's a star 25 to take this off. And a flathead screwdriver. Okay, what I have is about an extension of about 8 to 9 inches and a 5/8 spark plug. And what I'm doing, I put it underneath this way and it fits underneath there. And then I reach for the spark plug hole And then I find it and it goes down there. Then with my left hand, I put the 3/8 ratchet on, and then I move it back and forth. And I'm going to do this with every spark plug back there, and it's going to work. And this way you don't have to take the manifold or anything off. It's just kind of like a shortcut to do it. And see, you just pull it up like so. You pull this out of here, and you got a spark plug from around back of the engine out. Just like that. Okay, now that I have the spark plugs back in here, and you just go around here, take the ignition coil, and you gotta feel back down in here. Make sure the boot's down in there, and connect the connector up to the ignition coil until you hear it kind of click. That means it's in place. And then you take the screw and you kind of get a finger started. And then I'm going to take the little tiny ratchet, and it might take a little bit, but I'm going to bolt it back on there with the little ratchet. And I'm going to do this with all three. There's one in the far right, there's one in the middle, and there's one on the far left. So it takes a little bit more time, but you won't have to take apart your whole engine here. You guys, this is the middle boot, and I'm going in from the left, and I'm going to feel my way behind the engine, and I've already got the new spark plug in. And I'm going to go ahead and let it go down in. And I'm going to plug in the electrical to it until it clicks. If you heard that little click, then I'm going to take the screw. I'm going to make sure it's finger tight. I'm getting it finger tight here. The ignition coil.
We can see where the last one's going to go.
And then I'm going to tighten it down with my small ratchet here. And then it's almost tight. There we go. That one is on there good. Now we're going to go for the last one. The last one is going to go down in this hole right here. Right here. Okay. Now, take this around here. Fits right down in there. Now there is a rubber hose right here, so you may have to turn the boot to the right to get it to go down in there. And no problem, it's down in there. Then you'll want to plug in the electrical connector. See, you heard that click. Make sure the boot's pushed all the way down in there. And then you'll want to put the last bolt, the 10mm bolt in. And I'm gonna finger tighten it. And then I'm gonna take my little ratchet, it's a 10mm. And if you can see that right there, it's a 10mm ratchet tightening down the 10mm bolt onto the ignition coil on the last spark plug there that we've changed out. Make sure that's good and tight. Okay, that is really tight. It's good. That is good. They're all tightened, and that is the way to do the shortcut.